Good news for Samsung fans in the United States. The new One UI 7 update is finally being rolled out to Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra users. This update is based on Android 15 and brings a bunch of exciting features and improvements. Samsung first launched the update in South Korea, followed by Europe, and now it's the US turn to get it. But before you jump into updating your phone, there are a few things you need to know. First, the update is only available for unlocked phones right now. If you bought your phone directly from Samsung or another retailer, not from a carrier like AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile, you should be able to see the update soon. Maybe you already have. But if your phone is carrier locked, meaning you got it through a mobile carrier, the update might take longer to reach you. This kind of delay isn't new. Samsung often has to wait for carriers to approve software updates before sending them out to locked phones. So if you're still waiting, don't worry, it's coming, just not quite yet. Unfortunately, there's no exact date for when it'll arrive on those models. Some users might be feeling a little frustrated. After all, we've been waiting for Android 15 and One UI 7 for a while now. Google started testing Android 15 back in April 2024, and the stable version came out in October 2024. Since then, many people have been hoping Samsung would quickly bring the update to their devices, especially the new S24 series that launched earlier this year. But for many, this update is arriving a bit late, and with rumors of One UI 8 already on the way in just a few months, some might be wondering, why get excited now? That said, One UI 7 is still an important update. It improves speed, design, privacy, and battery life, so it's definitely worth installing when it becomes available. Now, let's talk about what's next. The S24 series is just the beginning. Samsung plans to bring the One UI 7 update to more devices very soon. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to get the update later this month, followed by other flagship phones and tablets like Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. If everything goes according to plan, these devices should receive the update by the end of April. But keep in mind, these timelines can change. Sometimes bugs or testing issues cause delays, so be patient if your phone doesn't get it right away. For people with older phones or tablets, the wait might be a bit longer. Samsung is planning to release One UI 7 to more devices in May. This includes Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, Galaxy Tab S9 series, Galaxy S23 FE, Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, and other mid-range or older models. Samsung has been adjusting its update schedule a lot lately, so again, don't be surprised if things change. But overall, it's clear that the company is trying to bring the new software to as many devices as possible, just in stages. Let's quickly recap. One UI 7 is now available for unlocked Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra users in the United States. Carrier-locked phones will get the update later, but we don't know exactly when. More Samsung devices like the Z Fold 5, Flip 5, and S23 series are expected to get the update in April. Older devices like the Fold 4, Flip 4, S23 FE, and others will likely receive it in May. So if you're using a newer Samsung phone, keep an eye out for that update notification. And if you're still waiting, hang in there. It's on the way. That's all for now. Let us know in the comments if your phone has already received the One UI 7 update. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Samsung news and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.